Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This video is sponsored by Hobbii, one of my favorite online yarn stores. This time, I will challenge them to make a Christmas sweater. This sweater probably fits a medium person as well, but it can be easily adjusted to any sizes. For this project, I chose the Acrylic Christmas color pack. It comes with 5 different colors. This is a number 3 category yarn. Each one is about 100 grams, and you need about 600 grams. A 4mm hook, a pair of scissors, yarn needle, stitch markers, and a measuring tape. Alright, let's get started. To begin the pattern, make a slip knot and make a chain of 11. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Start on the second stitch, that's this one. Place a single crochet and single crochet into the next chain. Single crochet into every chain all the way across. At the end of the chain, one chain and turn. Single crochet into the first stitch. Make sure to insert into 2 loops. In the next stitch, single crochet into the back loop. The back loop is the far away loop from us. Single crochet into the back loop. Single crochet into the back loop all the way across until the last stitch. In the last stitch, single crochet into 2 loops, just like the first stitch. One chain and turn. Single crochet into 2 loops on the first stitch. Then single crochet into the back loop all the way across until the last stitch. Repeat and make a long strip. The green one goes to the bottom with 11 foundation chains. I also made another one with white color with the same number of foundation chains. And the red is part of the sleeve with 18 chains. Do not cut yarn at the end of the strip just yet. We're going to attach it to the sweater, and if it's not long enough, and we can make it longer as we stitch it to the sweater. My chain measures just over 21 inches with a 108 chains. To begin round 1, slip stitch into the first chain at the end of the chain, and make sure your chain is not twisted. Turn to the back and slip stitch into the first stitch. Two chains. 1, 2. In the same chain, place a double crochet, yarn over, insert, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and yarn over, pull through the last 2 loops. That's 1. Again, double crochet into the next chain, and this is personal preference that I'm using the back of the chain. Double crochet. On this round, we're placing a double crochet into every chain. By the end of the round, we still have 108 stitches. To begin round 2, slip stitch into the first stitch, 2 chains. Place a double crochet into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 stitches. Eight. Then increase into the next stitch. So place 2 double crochet into this stitch. The repeat for this round is double crochet into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 stitches. Then increase. And repeat this all the way around. By the end of the round, we have 120 stitches. To begin round 3, slip stitch into the first stitch. 2 chains. On this round, place a double crochet into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 stitches. Increase in the next stitch. Then double crochet into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 stitches. Then increase. The repeat for this round is double crochet into 9 stitches, then increase. And repeat this all the way around. And I meet you at the end of the round. At the end of round 3, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 stitches left. Double crochet into the last 4 stitches. 4 stitches plus 5 stitches at the beginning, that is 9 stitches. The reason I divided 9 into half is to make sure I'm getting a perfect round circle. And this round, we have a total of 132 stitches. To begin round 4, slip stitch into the first stitch, 2 chains. The repeat for this round is double crochet into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 stitches. And 10. Then increase. Repeat this all the way around. By the end of the round, there will be 144 stitches. And I meet you on round 5. To begin round 5, slip stitch into the first stitch, 2 chains, double crochet into 6 stitches. Then increase. The repeat for this round is going to be double crochet into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 stitches. So whenever the increased number is an odd number, we divide that into half. So that way, we don't always increase into the same stitches on every round. And I hope this makes sense to you. Then increase. And repeat this all the way around. Double crochet into 11 stitches, then increase. At the end of round 5, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 stitches left. Place a double crochet into the last 5 stitches. 5 stitches plus 6 stitches from the beginning, that's 11 stitches. And the total for this round is 156 stitches. Join the round by slip stitch into the first stitch, 1 chain, and pull up a loop. To begin round 6, insert color bead into the first stitch. Just leave the white yarn on the side. Tie a knot. Insert the hook, pull up a loop, 2 chains to begin. On this round, place a double crochet into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 stitches. Then increase. And repeat this all the way around. By the end of the round, there will be 168 stitches. By the end of round 6, join the round by slip stitch into the first stitch, 1 chain. You can either cut yarn and insert again later, or you can just pull up a loop and leave it on the side. To begin round 7, place the white yarn back onto the hook. Pull through 2 chains. Double crochet into 7 stitches. Then increase. So on this round, the repeat is double crochet into 13 stitches, then increase. At the end of round 7, double crochet into the last 6 stitches, 6 stitches plus 7 stitches at the beginning, that's 13 stitches. So total we have 180 stitches. And join the round by slip stitch into the first stitch. 1 chain, pull up a loop, to begin round 8, insert green yarn into the first stitch, two chains to begin. The repeat for this round is double crochet into 14 stitches. Because 14 is an even number, so we're just going to repeat this, double crochet into 14 stitches, then increase. By the end of the round, there will be 192 stitches. Continue to make increase rounds. Each round we're increasing by 12 stitches, and you can check the numbers on the screen. Increase into the sweater is about 7 inches tall. I stopped at round 22 with 360 stitches, and I have 2 markers in place for the sleeve. From here, the sleeve is 78 stitches, which is about 6.5 inches wide, but you can make it wider. The middle section, the body, I have 204 stitches all around. To begin round 23, join the round by slip stitch into the first stitch, actually slip stitch the 2 layers together, two chains, and place a double crochet, I'm going to place another stitch into the same stitch, then double crochet into every stitch all the way around for a total of 204 stitches. From the marker, I did a round of double crochet. Then I started to play with different colors and still have the same number of stitches on every round. From where I started to change color, all the way down the 14 inches. The sleeves, I also follow the same color pattern as the body, but I stopped at 12 inches. So this is a pretty simple pattern, and repeat and do the same on the other sleeve. When you have all the pieces, it is time to attach them together. This is the bottom of the sweater. It is not necessary to match one stitch per row. My first 4 stitches was 1 per row, then 2 stitches into 1 row, and repeat. And do the same on the top of the sweater. On the sleeve, I did 2 stitches into 1 row. And lastly, stitch the ends together. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching. I hope you liked today's tutorial. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button and the notification bell, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!